Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY to day 17 of the 25-day advent calendar from the Brew Company. Okay, so day 17, on from India yesterday on day 16, and today we're with an espresso blend. This is a blend that we've done previously between Brazil and Uganda. So from the Brazil Minas, Gerais and the Uganda NKG Bloom regions. Probably said that wrong, but they're the two regions. It's an intensity of 5, a medium dark roast, exactly the same in fact, as the Power Coffee Blend on December the 15th. It's an espresso blend, so I'm not sure I'm supposed to make this differently in terms of the amount of water. I'm not sure. It doesn't say to do anything different. It's the same taste notes, so we've got chocolate, caramel, nutty and cherry taste notes. So just give it a try. I'll maybe feel it a little bit less perhaps. But yeah, let's get grinding, let's get brewing and let's get tasting. Okay, so day 17, espresso blend. Let's give it a taste. Put it in a smaller cup this time, no reason. It tastes different to that Power Coffee Blend. But I'll read in the Power Coffee Blend and it is the same stuff inside there, as in the same process, same taste notes, same region. So I don't know if it is the same beans or not, or whether it's the same beans but they've been processed differently. Or it's a different combination of the type of beans or the ratio of beans, but from memory it's not the same. Does it taste? It tastes nice, but it did this last time. It was nice up front and then kind of afterwards when I've had a lot of it, it kind of got a little bit too bitter, I think, because it tastes nice. Chocolate, yeah, it's tasting chocolate. Not getting the nutty or cherryness to it, but definitely chocolateness to it and the caramel. Wondering maybe if I brewed it differently. But it's nice. Again, the Power Coffee Blend, I think I initially put in the top 5. That isn't top 5 for taste wise. For example, the India one yesterday is miles nicer. But it's a decent coffee. It's nice. Nice morning coffee. Powerful. It's intense. You can tell it's got that more darker roast to it, definitely on the bean. So overall, maybe scraping the top 5, but not an obvious top 5. Certainly not a top 3. So yeah, really good. So this coffee, along with all the other coffees from the Advent Calendar, are obviously available on the Brew Company website. There are links below in the description to give you a discount on the Brew Company website across all the coffees. It's a 10% discount code available via the links and discount codes below. So obviously use those links if you want to get a discount. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down. But let me know in the comment section why you didn't like it. Okay, any questions about this coffee or the other coffees, the Advent Calendar, my French press or grinder, links for those are below in the description as well over to Amazon. Then let me know in the comment section about anything you want to know. If you want to follow the rest of the Advent Calendar journey along, we've got 8 days left now. Hit that subscribe button and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.